God really knows what he's doing. Don't stress out. His timing is perfect. His plan is perfect. He's got you right where he wants you. Keep pursuing him.
That the image of God is in the male and the female joining together. And the Bible describes that God separates and then the male and female come as one, and what God puts together we cannot separate. And that is key, and that I believe is the foundation for us to build a peaceful, beautiful world. So each of you are so special.
Are Ronald and Karen Kelly here? Congratulations. They were nominated by their son, Daniel. Daniel here as well. So Daniel wrote the story. He said, both of my parents sacrificed a lot for me to have a good upbringing. My mom purposely let go of multiple job positions so she could stay at home and raise me. My dad would work 24 plus hours on multiple occasions to provide for me and my mom. After he was done with work, somehow he found the strength to help me with my studies. Even to this day, my dad is fully supportive of my career as a minister and as an actor. He even helps me on the leadership teams of Miraculously. As an actor, there have been hundreds of auditions where he's read lines with me and filmed me when others were not available. There's also a time when I was having intense digestion issues in the hospital, and both my dad and my mom were there by my side. Because of their support and prayers, I didn't need stomach surgery. Congratulations to Ronald and Karen Kelly.
Once again, we just got done at Pasadena City Hall for National Parents Day. Shout out to the city of Pasadena for celebrating my parents and all the other parents there. Right now we're here at some sort of mansion in the hills in Pasadena. So let's check it out. Apparently they have some food for us, and let's see what's about to go down. Ooh, fancy. Okay. Ooh, okay. Hey, what's going on with you, family? It's yours truly, DBK, and I'm here with my parents as well as another parent, the mayor of Huntington Beach.
Hello.
Hey, what's going on with you, Mayor?
We are here. We got our National Parents of the Year awards, your parents, and my husband and I, so it's a really wonderful day. Yeah.
Wow. So stay on the lookout for this sister. She is doing some amazing things in my local area of Huntington Beach. And so stay tuned. And thank you, God, for all the parents.
Thank you so much, everyone.
God bless.
God bless.
God bless.
This is Barbie.
Okay. So Barbie, tell us what happened today.
It was a fantastic day. So proud of your parents, and they became the parents of the year. So proud of them. And you're the son. Wonderful. So proud of you to be the parents. They be your parents. God bless them. They're incredible parents you have, and you are their product. So proud of you. So proud of them.
Thank you.
God
Thank
bless
you
you.
so much.
God bless you.
God bless you.
Wow, honey.
Hey, what's up with you, family? It's yours truly, DBK, and I'm here with my parents. Let's go. Ronald Bruce Kelly and Karen Marie Kelly. It is a miracle, family. I want to thank everyone for your prayers. Literally, my mom came home recently, and she had the chance to be honored with my dad for National Parents Day. So I just want to thank the Lord. And Mom and Dad, do you have anything that you wanted to share?
Just thank you for your prayers.
I also would like to say thank you so much for your prayers and your continued prayer. Keep us on that healthy track of eating the right foods, drinking the right drinks. Thank you so much.
Well, I'll see some of y'all on the prayer line. We do the prayer line every single day, 4 p.m. Pacific. So thank you once again. God bless you. It's been real. Peace.
It's been real.
It's been real.